When you first approach the House of Light Voids in Medan, Indonesia, what strikes you isn't decoration, it's restraint. A tall, 3.8-meter concrete wall stands almost like a veil, concealing what lies behind it and inviting curiosity rather than immediately revealing itself. This deliberate threshold sets the tone for a home where structure and light are in constant dialogue, and where the familiar idea of interior and exterior begins to blur. Step through that boundary and you're greeted by a long, narrow hallway that becomes the spine of the house. Rather than compartmentalizing spaces with walls, this corridor leads you through a sequence of scenes: living, dining, kitchen, and lounge, each subtly defined through light and material rather than doors or partitions. It's a spatial strategy that not only maximizes the sense of openness but also encourages a fluid movement throughout the home. What makes this house truly unique is how light is orchestrated. Standard solid floor slabs are traded for galvanized grating plates in key areas, allowing daylight from glass skylights above to filter down through multiple levels. These intentional voids create a tapestry of shifting light and shadow throughout the day, almost like a natural sundial that animates even the simplest moments at home. Materials play a quiet but essential role here. Concrete and timber, paired with a neutral palette, work together to cultivate a sense of calm. Tactile surfaces are balanced with refined lines, giving every space a serene presence without competing with the play of light that defines the architecture. It's a thoughtful material palette that anchors the home visually and experientially. In a city where residential architecture often leans toward elaborate ornamentation, this design stands out by embracing minimalism and intentional spatial sequences. The House of Light Voids is less about what is shown and more about what is revealed through light, movement, and lived experience, an approach that redefines how a compact urban home can feel expansive and deeply connected to the rhythms of daily life.